Hello everyone, it's me Kashmala Ali from Field Machine Models. Today we are going to discuss dictionaries in our Python programming series. So in today's lecture we will learn how to create a dictionary and how to access the data from a dictionary, how to add and change and how to remove a data. So let's move toward the editor and let's get started. So we are in our editor now. Basically, dictionary is a compound data type that allows us to store data in a key value pairs. Let's start creating our dictionary. First of all, we have to write the name of a dictionary, which we select my dictionary, then assignment operator, and then curly braces. Keep in mind that dictionary always defined by using a curly braces. So first of all we write a key and then value. My first key is name and its value is alright. Next some string data. First one is string data type, so next one is integer. And let's add another key value pair. We always write a key in a double quote. Now print our dictionary. So as you have seen in console, our dictionary is printed. Name, age and programming language. So in this way you can create a dictionary with a data in key value pairs. Now if we have multiple values, then simply we write a key and then we use a list to describe more items belongs to that key. Now we print this dictionary on our screen. Yeah. Now hit the run button. So here you see that multiple items that belongs to that key is printed on the screen. Okay, now we will learn how we can access an element from a dictionary. Simply print the name of our dictionary, and we use square bracket and type our key inside our square bracket. As I have write a name, now we will run it. So it's print the value of name, because we store train machine model in our name. So this is how we can access a data from our dictionary. There is one more way to access a data from a dictionary, and it's a get method. How we can use it? Simply print name of my dictionary dot get and my key. Now hit the run button. So as you have seen that it displays the value of name. So now we will move toward our next topic, that is how to add and change dictionary elements. So if I want to add an element in my dictionary, simply I write the name of my dictionary like this, and I use square bracket and write the key which I want to enter in my dictionary. Like I have add series and assignment operator and its value. Now if I print my dictionary on a console, then so in console you have seen name, age, programming language and series is added to our dictionary. Now if I want to change the value of any item, then simply I write the name and in square bracket I write the key which value I want to change, like age, and change it to 10. Now print dictionary on a screen. So as you have seen that its value is changed to 10. Now next thing which we want to discuss is how to remove an item, an element from our dictionary. To remove an item from a dictionary, we simply write the name of our dictionary dot pop method, and then in square bracket we write like I want to remove a series. Then as you have seen that I write dot pop series, so the series is removed from a dictionary. So here we have completed this topic of dictionary, and if you have any query and anything that confuses you, then don't worry, just ask me in a comment box. I will reply all of your query. And if you like the video, then hit the like button and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.